What's up, YouTube family? Do me a favor, like, share, comment, and subscribe to this video. I was up in Hatfield, PA today, so I figured I'd look up and see which gun stores, gun ranges nearby. So I found Target World, so I'm going to run up in here real fast. A couple items that I'm looking for to purchase. So I'm going to go in here just to see if they have something and what the prices are, and just see what the place look like. All right. So let's head on up in here, man. Check the place out. All right. Check it out. How you doing? All right.
Still have the floor open upstairs as well. Okay. We have a full gun shop.
All right, cool. What's your memberships like?
So go by a year or 6 months.
Okay.
Are you
6 months.
Are you veteran, military?
No.
So this is just our member sign, and I like to use this because it's just larger.
Mm-hmm.
You can do a family membership or a single. So if you and the wife, your children are just 12 to 21. Down here I do not.
Okay.
Rent. We are working on getting a new
So this is sale and rent, or this is only rent here?
It's only rent.
Okay.
Upstairs I have a full gun store.
Okay.
I got enough guns up there it dwarfs the size of that.
Okay. All right, cool.
All
All right, cool. All right, I'm going to go check it out upstairs.
So we also have classes and lessons here, so if you're looking for training,
Yeah.
we have instructors do one-on-one and classes for the new shooter. So
Okay.
if, you know somebody's looking to get into shooting, the pistol fundamentals course is great.
Yeah.
To start there.
Some stuff out.
Yeah, we got everything up there from guns, suppressors, ammunition.
And the safes, these safes are beautiful too, man.
It's always worth locking your stuff up.
Absolutely. Yeah. Thanks, man. I appreciate you.
No problem.
All right. So up this way to the right.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. All right. Wow. Eagle.
I'm already here anyway. And I got one more question.
60. 60. It's right here.
Oh, you said, right?
Yeah.
What did you put in?
Oh, 67. 16-inch.
Let's see, that is, that might be. This is a 380. Yeah, it is the Banshee.
Oh.
It's Banshee, and what caliber is it in? We had all different calibers. Now we're down to just a few. It's a 5.7.
Oh,
That's the
5.7.
5.7 round.
Oh. Oh, this is the Banshee. 5.7.
Yeah,
Oh, this
it's a 5.
is nice.
Yeah. That's a bit small.
Yeah, it's a bit small. Well, it's a 5.7, so it's okay. You wouldn't want to put a 5.56 or anything else in there, right?
Still going to blast yours out.
Yeah. That's sharp, though. What was that, 15 something? 1596?
Yeah, 1350.
Okay. $15.89 for that one. Yeah, I just got mine. I got to get it to the range. These are nice too.
They're a lot of fun.
Yeah.
They're made for just go out in the field and just
Yeah.
burn some ammo.
So I think the cold, the finish is better.
Range ready.
You can see,
Oh, repellent.
you look at the quality of the finish on the trigger and hammer, right? The way they function is a little bit different. So with the Colt, you're gonna
Oh,
pull it, right? Okay.
oh, this is nice. Wow.
Rotates,
683.
push it, and it rotates this way. So it's going towards the direction it closes.
Dang.
Some say it's a little more secure.
That's a 22.
Okay, it's a little bit sturdier.
279 for that.
You know, close this way, it sort of rotates this way as well, except for the way it opens.
9 millimeters.
Something, that's not as
Uh,
sturdy. I'd say the finish certainly is better.
One of these. Is it for an AR?
yes.
So if you don't have them on it, you would want one of these. So that would mount on to like your pick
Rail.
rail if you did that, and then it allows you to mount it into that hole right there.
Oh, okay. What about for the back part? Well, I know you could probably do this right here, right? That's the
So
only
yeah,
part.
you could do something like that if you switched out your. You'd have here.
Okay.
But then downstairs, I have a better selection
Oh,
down the
okay.
range.
Okay.
So you can go down there and check
Yeah.
that out if you want to. It's a much nicer selection
Yeah.
downstairs.
Okay. So the downstairs, the guy that was down there, right down the steps you're talking about?
Well, Yeah, you go down the stairs and then go to your left there through them glass doors out onto the range here.
Oh, okay.
We have more down there.
Okay. All right, cool.
So it's up to you if you want to pay for that. That way you can just ring everything out.
Okay.
Makes life easier.
So the range closed today, but when it'll be back open tomorrow?
Hopefully tomorrow afternoon. Yeah, we're
Alright.
doing a, so to say, fall cleaning of it, if you will.
So you have to be a member to use the range, or okay?
No. What we do ask, so do you have recent, current, relevant shooting experience?
Oh yeah.
So that's what we do. We just want to make sure that everybody that goes out onto our range has the same.
Next time, you guys got to send
Excuse me. How you doing? Excuse me. Thank you.
Yeah, but I don't tell them that. I'm just like, yeah.
Ultra limited. All right. So we got some stuff. It's pretty cool in there, man. Pretty cool people. We'll be back. All right, so we went on in there, the pistol range gun store, and they were a great group of guys, man. Everybody was very helpful, very friendly. Although the range was closed, they're doing some work to it. I want to get back up there and check out the range, and I definitely highly recommend the store, and they are fully equipped. They have a lot of stuff in here. Great selection of stuff. Great selection of firearms for sale. Prices are, what are you going to do? It's like cash and carry. And I ain't going to hold you, man. Them Trump guns look good, man. They look real good. I've seen a few of them Jones that I like. Price is not too bad. Around the 7 mark. Could be a little less, around 600 for the Glock 9mm, and in the Trump. So who knows, man? Might get one of them Jones. Who knows? All right, so I'm gonna head on back down the way. I'll at you guys later. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and get ready for that range day, man. We about to head up, get ready for the range day. All right, I'll at y'all later. Peace.
It's caught in the crossfire.
see your war face.